foodies, welcome to Foodland, and I'm back with yet another interesting recipe. This is called Thai shrimp curry, quick and easy 15 minutes recipe and perfect for any weekday nights. So let's check out the ingredients and stay tuned for the recipe. So let's check out the ingredients for Thai shrimp curry. Quick and easy 10 minutes recipe, guys. So let's see what are the ingredients I have taken. These are the frozen shrimps. They are already cleaned. So just wash them again and make it room temperature. I have some broccoli cuts. I've taken orange and green bell pepper. And I've taken white onion. So these are all thinly sliced. You can add carrots, beans, whatever vegetables of your choice. Coconut milk, I prefer this particular coconut milk brand, just easily available in any store, just to get that creamy nice consistency. I have this fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. This is purely optional, but if you want you can add it. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, and this is a red Thai kitchen red chili paste. Again, everything is easily available in the market or in the store. And salt and pepper to taste. So let's move on to the pan and let's see how to do it. Alright, so my pan is hot. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's add onion. Saute the onion. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. This is chili paste, but you can have chili garlic paste instead. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili paste. Again, if you're not eating shrimps, then you can add a bunch of other vegetables. Let's add rest of the vegetables. Saute them well. I'm going to add black pepper powder, about 1 tablespoon. Turn the heat to high. Time to add the roasted red chili paste. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Alright, so I have sauteed this for about 2 minutes, and this is pretty much how I would just eat. But if you want to make curry, then let's add this whole tin of coconut milk. And of course 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Again, this is optional, but if you like Thai food, you can add just 1 tablespoon. And that's pretty much it. Just give that a good mix. If you have basil, you can add that for flavoring. So now I'm going to keep it covered for another 2 minutes and our curry will be ready. Look how beautifully it's boiling, and how pretty this looks. Let's give that a quick stir. I see the shrimps are nicely cooked and this curry is done. I'm going to get it in the bowl. And look at this, guys. This looks so beautiful. And this shrimp curry, you can have it with jasmine rice or any Malaysian paratha, kawan paratha. It goes beautifully well with that. So it is really delicious and it's very easy and quick recipe. So I'm sure you're gonna give it a try. And I'll see you next time in the next video with another recipe. And as always, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. Of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.